How to build a viral app in 90 seconds. AI has turned beginners to complete app developers. Let me show you how. Step 1. The idea. The best way to get an idea is to either solve a problem for yourself or find problems in comment sections of TikTok and Reddit. Make sure the idea focuses on these three things: helping people make money, find love, or make them happier. These are the quickest ways to go viral with an idea. Step 2. Time to build your app. First, you want to use Valycode. Simply describe your app in 3 simple steps. Then, you'll get PRD files, designs, specs, and AI prompts to put in your favorite tools. Step 3. Use Lovable for web apps or Rork for mobile apps and paste in your prompt from Valycode. You can download and export the files of the project. Step 4. You want to import the files into Cursor and start to run your app locally. You can then use custom-made prompts from Valycode to add features while using Cursor. Once you're happy with the project, you can deploy it using Vercel and Supabase. Step 5. The hard part. Marketing. Create videos on TikTok. Write posts on Twitter and Reddit. Remember, copy what's working and volume. It doesn't need to be perfect. You just need to create and create fast. So now the question is, what are you going to build? Check out link in description for all the tools mentioned.